You guys do not understand the level of pain I am in right now.
When I see your face, when I see your face.
Hey guys, welcome back, and here we have my sisters. So this is Cynthia.
Hi.
This is Rachel. Hello. And I brought them on with me because I wanted to do the spicy ramen challenge. So I wanted to try this challenge with them, even though it's kind of like an old trend. But I still wanted to do it. So we're gonna try the spicy ramen challenge. And we already cooked the whole, noodles here. And I will play clips on us cooking it. So here we have the ramen. We got the Korean one. It says Korea down there. This is the 2 times spicy. It's called bulldog. Bulldog? Let's try this one. 550 calories. We are. Okay guys, so I just opened it and holy crap, look at how huge one of these packs is. It's literally, one of these is literally 550. Wait, let me show you guys the comparison. This is literally the ones that we eat. Compared to this one, can you guys see the difference? Oh no, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. So
I'm
each,
gonna win.
so my, no, you're gonna win?
I do it.
So this came in a pack of 5. So we're gonna eat 3 today. So here we opened one of the bags. My sister's opening the other one. But these are really thick.
Dude, this is the sauce.
Yeah, that's why we're adding this to.
What is this?
Do we add this before or after? Like, I'm confused. I mean, it has the instructions.
After it's cooked.
After it's cooked?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we all get our bowl with just regular ramen and then we eat it. Oh, okay. Oh shoot, we're probably gonna die. So here we're boiling the water now.
Our butts are gonna burn. I'm just being honest.
So this one's milky. I don't know what this is. This is
That's like the little vegetales.
oh, the vegetables?
Yeah, but they're more dry.
They're more dry? Oh, it's not focusing. So we're gonna put these on each of our bowls. We have our bowls here already. So
Anyways, you gotta put the whole thing in so nobody
oh, so no one cheats.
yeah, so no one cheats. We have to,
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so weird.
everybody's gonna do their own little bag.
You guys,
Because we already know Brittany doesn't eat a lot of spice.
That's
We're gonna
true.
see- We're gonna see what she's about.
that's true. I don't eat spicy stuff that much. I mean, sometimes some of mom's food is an exception.
What you usually are like.
Yeah, usually I'm not really, because I'm more on the salty side instead of the spicy side. Yeah.
But I don't know, I've never tried this, so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm so nervous, guys. It's because I really don't eat any spicy stuff.
Hey,
So-
we better have our waters ready.
No, we have to drink milk.
Milk, bro. That's gonna give you diarrhea for sure.
Is it
I
because
mean, they say it helps, but that's gonna give you diarrhea.
okay.
Things taking forever, so we'll just show you when it's ready.
Yeah, we'll show you guys when it's ready, and we'll put in each of our sauces. So here's the sauce, this is the vegetables.
Yeah.
And then this is the stuff that makes it spicy. So if you guys are wanting to try this, definitely just don't do it. I'm sorry, just don't do it. Okay guys, so we have all 3 bowls already and set. All we gotta do is just get on the table now, and we're gonna put these in and this pack as well. So we'll see you guys when we're eating. But I wanted to just show you guys, and hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and
comment.
Yes, and comment please. And soon I think Cynthia is gonna be opening up a channel too, and Rachel as well. And you guys already know my mom. My mom has her channel, so if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to her channel as well, go ahead. So let's start, you guys.
Okay, so let's open
the
sauce.
So we're opening the sauces right now. Oh. Okay, so we're just putting it in. Ooh, It stays on your fingers. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I don't know if I even opened this properly. I think that's it. Yeah. And so then we add the vegetables. Wow, look at that. Oh god. I can't even like this spot. Oh, okay.
Seeds?
Is this seaweed? It's seaweed.
Is it whoever finishes it first
Wins?
What's that much?
Let's have our bottles ready. Let's all have our bottles ready. Okay.
ready, guys?
Yeah. Oh, I'm nervous.
I feel like this is soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
It smells like it, right?
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Okay, wait.
1, 2, 3. It's not that spicy.
Please.
What the hell? Wait, it's actually kind of good.
It really is.
It's a lot hot.
It is. It's like when you start eating it.
Well, I'm feeling it now.
You are? I got like a big pang of like.
I'm feeling it, Rachel. But I like it though.
I like it too. Why do I like it? Ooh, I gotta put my hair up.
Shouldn't get one
Don't drink water. Don't even touch the water.
Whoever drinks the water loses.
Oh, for real?
I'm already feeling it. Why is it?
Hey, we should have put that egg stuff there. But hey, this is how the challenge is. So. Guys, this is really spicy.
Oh, I'm gonna convince myself that I actually like it. But I do like it, but it's hot. How do these Koreans do it?
Yeah, Rachel wanted to do the other one. She's like, let's do the bonus.
We gotta go. I wanna win.
Oh my gosh. This is hell. Yes, it is.
I'm probably gonna burn my organs.
Why can't we get the water? You're right.
Don't do it. You're gonna lose.
Like it's good. Like it's so good, but after a while it starts burning your mouth up. My hands are shaking.
My lips, they're burning.
What the heck is
How do I go back? Ah!
Oh my god. It's bursting out more. Oh my god, my mouth is burning!
Rachel wants to cry.
Bruh, Korean spicy food is on another level, and we thought Mexican food was spicy.
Do it for real.
Ooh,
You know how my ears feel? Like when you're driving up a mountain and you feel like really, really, you know.
Yeah, and then your ears go.
Yeah. That's how they feel right now.
Oh, my ears are starting to burn a little bit.
Somebody needs to tap out.
Tap out. Let's go tap out.
No, look at this.
Shut up.
Look at it. Look at this one. Take a sip. No, she's gonna win.
This burns.
No. No. Oh my god.
Look at the water, Brittany. Look at the water.
No, stop.
Look at the water. Come on, bro.
Oh, Cynthia won. She won. Oh my god. Okay.
You guys do not understand the level of pain I am in right now.
I'm fine. My lip is full. Kylie Jenner, guys. Kylie Jenner.
Rachel, come on.
Rachel, come on.
They're frozen inside of the fridge.
Oh my god. Oh, I think I had an allergic reaction.
I need to drink my water.
My lips. I feel like Angelina Jolie.
We're just eating. Boom.
Oh my god. I feel dizzy. I literally feel dizzy, like my head is spinning. Oh my god.
My lips are like small, like they're really small, but they're like plump right now.
Mine are so dizzy. Oh my god.
You know who we look like? You know that one scene from Monsters Inc. when they're like, they like stick him in the chair and then there's a machine that like sucks his lips and then when they pull him up they're like
Oh my god. Please don't try this at home.
don't try it.
Don't.
Guys, don't try it. I wonder how those my fingers do it. They're like they're like, oh.
Oh man, bro.
Oh my god, look.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Bro, your lips are so plump. I'm trying to cool them down.
For real, they burn.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, I guess these two losers are done with it. Oh god, Rachel. My lips are starting to calm down. But that was crazy. That was a crazy experience.
It was, holy crap. Well, here we have the winner. we got a winner.
I already knew I was gonna win anyways.
Yeah, because she eats the most out of everyone in my entire household. This girl right here, she eats the most spicy.
Entire bloodline.
Yeah, the
I love
entire
spicy food.
bloodline.
I love spicy food, but this was on another level. But oh my god, Rachel, what was that?
Holy crap.
Yeah, don't talk about that. You gotta edit that out.
Oh my god. Well, anyway, guys.
Alright, well,
I gotta finish.
I will link their channels when they create them down in the description box. But you guys, holy crap, if you guys like this video, hit the like button.
Comment, share, subscribe.
All of that. But, well, we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.